Red flag warning in effect for the valley, all of South Texas. Basically, that means don't do any outdoor burning. Just a bad idea. It's in effect until this evening, and there's a couple of reasons for it. Not just the temperatures. Temperatures are right where we were yesterday at this time, but humidity is way down, the wind is way up. These are the dew points. They've dropped into the upper 30s and low 40s now across the area. We'll put the average on the Muggy meter down here at 39, so the air very, very dry across the region right now, and the winds are very, very gusty across the area. You just step outside and you feel that. Look at that, all out of the northwest, anywhere from 29 miles an hour in Brownsville to 39 in Rio Grande City, so some strong winds continue to move across the area. Now, future track suggests that overnight tonight, the winds stay pretty gusty. This is 10 p.m. You're still looking at 25-mile-per-hour gusts close to the coast, a little less in the western part of the valley. You go into tomorrow morning, here's 7 a.m., 10 to 15 miles an hour, so things begin to die down finally, but it'll be a breezy overnight across the area. Then during the daytime tomorrow, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, but not nearly as strong as what we're looking at today across the region. So strong winds, low humidity, a lot of fuel out there, if you will, because of the freeze last week, so things really dried out. So boy, just one spark and things take off. These are your forecast lows tonight. After spending last night in the 60s, tonight we're 20 degrees cooler in the 40s, and then tomorrow we don't get any warmer than the 60s. So a much cooler day tomorrow, courtesy of the front that's bringing that dry air in right now. Normal for this time of year is 70. We'll stay below that. A couple of 67s and a 68, records away above that. Did you see that front go through? Watch it again. You see kind of moving offshore. That's all that cloud cover, and once it's gone, we just dry things out. All that other stuff on radar was actually smoke from some fires, grass fires in the valley. Northwest winds will continue overnight tonight into tomorrow, but during the daytime we see plenty of sunshine. The winds die down a little bit, but temperatures just don't warm up as much tomorrow. Same thing on Saturday. A chilly start, sunshine during the afternoon, but still we have to work to get back into the upper 60s. Sunday, same kind of thing, plenty of sunshine. I think it's rain-free the next 3 days, but you saw the temperatures staying cool with the lack of rainfall persisting through the weekend into the early part of next week. It's cold up north. Dallas is 38 right now. Oklahoma City is 29. Austin is 49, so nice contrast. Just a quick drive from Austin to the valley. You go up from 49 to 81 degrees, so we are certainly the holdouts with the very warm temperatures. Big trough coming down the middle part of the country. There's the front moving offshore. Out to the west, everything is cleared. The front pushes away late tonight. Cool air builds in, and it just continues to build in all the way through the weekend. Another high-pressure area comes down from the north and just reinforces the cool air that's here. It's not until late Monday into Tuesday we see another front, and that front looks strong enough that it'll probably trigger some clouds and maybe bring us some light rain and drizzle for the middle part of next week. But that's next week. The rest of this week, that wind advisory tonight, of course, the red flag warning as well. Windy and cooler, low of 44. That wind, very gusty. There's also a gale warning for the coastal waters. Tomorrow back up to 67, windy in the morning, but then winds die down. It stays sunny. It stays cool. Saturday, about the same thing without the wind. Sunday, a few clouds, a high of 68. That next front on Tuesday, we've got 60. Temperatures will fall behind the front down through the 50s to 40 by Wednesday morning. Cloudy and damp on Wednesday with maybe a shower left over on Thursday as well. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.